Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 9 e-commerce tutorial. In previous video, we have created the layout and this homepage. In this video, we will create shop, cart and checkout page. So let's see how can we create these pages. For creating these pages, let's create the Livewire component. So switch to the command prompt and first of all just stop the running application. So press Ctrl plus C. And for creating the Livewire component for the shop, cart and checkout page, run the command php artisan make livewire space component name uh, for the shop component. So just write here shop component. Okay, now press enter. Now for the cart, just write here php artisan make livewire and component name cart component. Okay, and for the checkout, just execute the command php artisan make livewire checkout component. Okay, alright, now component created. Now run the application. So right here php artisan serve. Okay, now switch to the project and let's open first of all let's open the shop component view file. So from views resources directory, views, and then livewire, and from here let's open this one shop component.play.php file. Okay, now just remove this and now go to the template directory and from here let's open the shop.html, this one shop.html file in text editor. So right click, open with notepad++, and from this template file let's copy this this one main section. Okay, this main section. So just collapse this main section. Okay, here's the closing main. So just select this, copy, and go to the shop component.play.php file, and inside this div just paste here. Okay, all right, now inside the image src add here. So first of all just select this and press Ctrl plus D. Okay, and before the assets just write here double curly bracket, then asset parenthesis single quote, and here just select this, press Ctrl plus D. Okay, and after this .jpg just add your single quote, parenthesis close, and double curly bracket. Okay, alright, now save this file. Alright, now let's open the cart component view file. So just open this and remove this comment, and now go to the template directory, and from here let's open the cart.html file in text editor. Okay, and from this template file just copy the main section. Okay, so okay, this is the main section. Okay, so just select from here, and where is the closing main tag, this one. Okay, just select, copy, and go to the cart component view file, and inside this div just paste here. Okay, Alright, now inside the image src, let's add here. So select this and press Ctrl plus T, and before the asset just add the curly bracket, then asset, okay, single quote, and here just select and press Ctrl plus T, single quote, parenthesis, double curly bracket. Okay, now save this file, and finally just open this one, checkout component .blade.php file, and remove this comment. Now go to the template directory and open this one, checkout.html in text editor, and from this template file let's copy the main section, main section. Okay, here is the main section. So just select and copy. Okay, now go to the checkout component blade file, view file, and just paste here inside this div. Okay, and same thing inside the image tag, just add here the URL. Let's search here the image tag. So Ctrl plus F, img, here is the image tag. Okay, so just select this one, press Ctrl plus T, and before the asset add a double curly bracket, asset, and single quote. Okay, and now here close the single quote, parenthesis, and double curly bracket. Okay, now save file. Alright, now let's create the route for this component. Okay, so go to the web.php file, and after this let's create 3 routes, one for the shop, and second for the cart component, and third for the checkout. Okay, so just write here route get, add the URL shop, and component class name, which is shop component, column class. Okay, and name, route name, let's say route name is shop. Okay, and another route column get, URI cart, and class name cart component, column class. Okay, and add here the route name shop.cart, and for checkout just write here route column get / checkout, and class name checkout component, column class, and route name shop.checkout. Okay, now save this file. Alright, now let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, this is the home page, and if I go to the URL /shop, you can see here the shop page, and if I go to the URL cart, you can see here the cart page. Okay, and for checkout just write here /checkout, and here is the checkout page. Okay, so in this way you can create shop, cart, and checkout page. In next video we will create admin and user authentication. So that's all about creating shop, cart, and checkout page. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.